I just get my information from here. So
Chemical R and all that stuff.
yeah, chemical R. I prefer that actually, even though it's not been proven to eliminate cancer. It definitely helps. Okay, so the conclusion is very strong, right? The most effective way to lose body fat is to eat much protein and shun carbohydrates.
Shun. Yeah. That's
Stay away from those. Ketogenic diet here. Way too strong. Most effective way. Answer choice A is correct. What did they do here? They conclude. Yes.
They made the assumption that fat loss and weight loss have to be caused.
Yeah. You lost weight, therefore you must have lost fat.
Yeah.
So, not necessarily true, right? Water retention is a thing. You eat lots of salt, and then all of a sudden you need to drink a lot, and now you have lots of water, and water's heavy. Okay, so A says the high carb diet causes you to retain water, and that compensates for the weight loss, including fat loss, or that compensates for the loss of fat. Therefore, and the other diet does not. So maybe these people, even though they had the same amount of weight, had actually lost fat, right? Because the water compensated for that lost fat. Okay, other answers that were tempting? None. Yeah.
I thought B was tempting.
Ooh, yes.
Because body fat doesn't necessarily mean weight is what I was thinking. But I see why A is right, but I don't see why B is.
So there's two problems I think with B. One is it starts out with many.
Uh-huh.
Many means at least one, right? So I'm thinking, okay, there's at least one guy out there. His name is Carter. He's wearing a suit.
So it's too weak.
Yeah, it's very weak.
Okay.
And he consumes large quantities of protein, nevertheless gains significant amounts of body fat. Sorry, Carter.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't you. I was just saying someone, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, the other thing here, you guys see what B is missing? What is it not talking about?
Carbs.
Carbs. So maybe this guy eats a lot of protein and carbs. He goes to McDonald's. They have all sorts of that stuff at McDonald's.
Just double everything.
Double Big Mac? Yeah. So that's the problem with B. C says often, which is also weak. D helps. And E, after returning to your normal diet, is irrelevant. We don't make any promises after you go home. Okay, any questions? Joseph?